How to learn sound design in FL Studio. Alright, let's talk about phase. Phase? What the hell is that? So phase is just starting point of a sound wave coming out of an oscillator. Changing the phase shifts how the sound interact between different oscillators. I hope you get it because I don't really get it too. But for example, with the sound wave, most oscillators and wavetable start the wave at 0 degrees. When you adjust a phase, it start the wave at the different point. Basically, you are just shifting where the sound kicks in. Let's listen to the difference. Yeah, it's kinda hard to hear anything here, right? But if you're trying this to another VST like a serum, you will definitely notice the difference. It's actually super important feature, especially if you are making dubstep or similar genres. Check this out. It looks like I'm doing some super technical stuff, but honestly, I'm just winging it. The point is, when you tweak the phase on the complex wave like this, you can really hear how it changes the sound. Now, if you're combining 2 or 3 oscillators, you need to pay attention to their wave position. If 2 waves are moving opposite of each other, they will cancel each other out, like it's no sound at all. So what do you think? Easy enough, right? Or maybe not. Hopefully you get it. If you enjoy tutorial like this, make sure to follow guys. Thanks!